everyone, and welcome back to the Sugarpill YouTube channel. My name's Autumn, and today we are here with Anything for Selena's. So we're stoked to have Selena here. She's a super amazing makeup artist on Instagram. If you haven't seen her, go check her out. She's known for these really wild graphic looks, and your style, it's so different, and I don't think anyone can really replicate it, and that's what's so cool about you. So I'm really excited that you're here doing this with us today. So if you haven't seen Sugarpill Showdown before, it's super simple. Selena's gonna draw 3 colors from this jar, and each one of these sticks has one of our eyeshadow shades on it. And then we're gonna just try to create 2 different looks using the same 3 colors. So yeah, we can add as many other colors as we want, but we have to use those 3 shades. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
I picked 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, what do we got?
Lumi.
Ooh, Lumi, okay. You're gonna make some amazing stuff with this.
Midori.
Midori, so that's green.
2 a.m.
And 2 a.m. Ooh, okay. All right, let's just jump into it. Do you already know what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
Oh. So prepared. So when did your love of makeup start?
I was introduced just to I don't know, emo kids and stuff, and on MySpace I would see it everywhere, like that whole style. So I was so into it, I really liked it.
How did you learn to apply makop? Was it just kind of trial and error, just
yes,
looking at them?
It was a lot of trial and error. I was I know they have a whole bunch of black stuff around their eyes. So I was what is this called? So it was eyeliner, and then I know my mom had a bunch of it. So I went into her makeup and I got this black pencil she would use, and I just I would see her light it up with the lighter. So I was all right, that's how you do it. So I lit it up with the lighter, and I got it way too hot, and I put it right on my eyes, and it burned so bad. That was my first experience with eyeliner.
You were yes, this is what I want more.
So I looked up on YouTube how to do it, and that's when it changed my life. I loved when I came across the Alex box or Rochard, that was mind-blowing to me. So I wanted to incorporate more editorial looks, but into wearable, I guess you could say.
So how were you first introduced to Sugarpill?
Honestly, I think it was kimchi.
Yeah?
I knew about kimchi before Sugarpill, and I loved kimchi's work so much. Before everything happened with kimchi, like Drag Race and stuff. Yeah, I got eyelashes from Sugarpill for the first time, and that's honestly what changed my life. The eyelashes were so big. I've never used such big eyelashes before.
Allowed your makeup to get bigger?
Yeah, no, it really did. I've never had such big lashes, so I got the Supreme lashes, and my life was changed.
So that's so interesting. So you do the liner first?
Yeah, I do liner first, and then I go in with the color. Just so I get an idea. I'll touch it up in the end, but this is just to get it.
Gives you a nice
yeah, because if I start with color first, then it would be a mess. Yeah, such a mess.
All right, so I took your advice and I did liner.
It looks great.
And it's way easier, and I'm so ashamed of myself for not doing this for years. Your support means so much.
I'll support you through this. I got you. You really do need emotional support doing this. They can get really messy sometimes and really discouraging. But it has to get really ugly before it gets pretty, I feel.
It's true.
It's very true.
That's so true. So how would you describe your signature look?
It's really big, bold liner and big lashes and lined lips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And the Spock brows. That's the finishing touch.
Yeah, your lips are super iconic too.
Thank you.
Because everyone wants this soft rounded Cupid's bow right now, and you were like, nah.
No. I actually got this from my mom. My mom used to, that's her thing. She always had the very arched, the pointy Cupid's bow. So I was so into it. It made her look mean. So I was this adds on to the Spock brows. So it totally made it all come together.
Speaking of your mom, you just got an amazing tattoo done by Kat Von D.
Do
you mind showing it? I know it's still healing.
No, it's fine. It's pretty big. I didn't expect it to be so long.
Also, you told me before we started, this took Kat 2 hours to do.
2 hours.
And it's done. There's no second session. This is amazing.
Yeah, she killed it.
Yeah, your mom plays a pretty integral role in what you do, right?
For sure, 100%. Well, my mom was super beauty girl, like 100%. She would always have her makeup on. She wouldn't leave the house without having her lipstick or foundation, just everything, like liner, like she wouldn't do it. Like even when she was giving birth and she was in the car, she was getting ready. And I was just like, what are you doing? Like, you're giving birth. I thought it was so dumb. Like, I hated makeup. I always hated it. Like, when I was little, I was like, I'm never gonna put this on. Like, it's so stupid to me. And so I would always get mad when she would like take time out of her day to do her makeup. Like, what are you doing? Let's go. Like, this is not important. But so yeah, she would always have herself done up and stuff, and like her red lipstick. So that was always like a huge part of it. So I just took that with me after she passed away, so I started like appreciating it more, I guess. So I was only 16 when she passed, so it was like, that was like when I started. That's why I started doing more like crazier stuff. It was like for sure an escape. Like it was, and a way to like mask myself, I feel. Like, cause I was like, I don't know, people would always just like expect me to like be like down all the time, so when I would get like really ready, like they just wouldn't ever know.
So it was almost like a protection at first.
For sure,
but then
like,
it just kind of turned into an empowerment thing.
Exactly, and that's like I think the best part about it.
So where do you come up with these shapes? Like where do you draw inspiration?
I like the sharpness of it, like just the whole like, I don't know, I guess I'm a what's it called?
Geometry?
Yeah, but like I hate math, but like, I
hate math, but
I love shapes. It complements your face so well, like the more sharper it goes. So like I just like that part of it.
Yeah, because facial features, especially on women, tend to be very soft.
Yeah.
So you get a lot of the rounded shapes. So it's a really interesting juxtaposition to get that like really sharp line.
Yeah.
Especially against like the curve of an eye.
I think it looks good on everyone, honestly.
Yeah, no, it looks really cool. I think people are just a little intimidated to try it because it is different.
That's what's always fun about it. Like when I do this look on other people, and they see it afterwards, they're like always tripping. Like, I've never looked like this before. But in my head, I'm just like, I look like this every day.
Yeah.
So like, I don't think of it as like anything crazy.
So you're from Riverside,
yes.
Which is, so it's about, for anyone who doesn't know, about an hour and a half outside of LA.
Yeah.
What's the beauty scene like out there?
I'm like the only one that I know in Riverside who does makeup like this, so.
Yeah, I was gonna say like your makeup, even by LA's standards, is pretty unique. Have you really found other people who get what you do? And
not in Riverside, no.
No.
Not in Riverside, in LA for sure.
Yeah.
I have more like, most of my like friends are in LA, honestly. Yeah, out here it's more well, not like it's not accepted in Riverside, but it's just more of a thing out here, I guess, like more normal.
So we've totally watched you just explode on Instagram in the past year. How would you say has your life changed since you've kind of blown up?
Not like my life, but like I guess
experiences.
Yeah, I've gotten a lot of like new opportunities from that, and like I met a lot of new people, and yeah, so that alone has definitely opened doors, like for sure.
Yeah.
I've gotten a chance to work on America's Next Top Model, which is pretty cool.
Really?
So I love that show. Like I grew up watching it. I'm married in teratology. Me and her worked together on that because it was like a scary like episode where they were doing like a haunted house photo shoot, so they wanted some scary makeup. So
That's awesome.
So yeah, they had us do it.
Yeah, we love Meredith's work too.
Yeah, and
you guys, I feel like your styles really mesh well together.
Yeah, we like started all this like stuff together. I did makeup for like an A$AP Rocky video, which I love A$AP Rocky. So like I thought that was pretty cool. And I got to meet a lot of people doing that, like the director Nadia Lee, like she's amazing, and like I hope she books her like potential work like in the future. But she says she would because she likes me. But like she has this really good eye, like it's crazy good. So I'm really glad I got to meet her. And her alone has, opened a lot of doors too. So
are you a full-time makeup artist then, or would you consider yourself more of a hobbyist?
More of like a hobby, honestly.
Yeah. Just
until like, I don't know, it becomes more serious. Like I do other work on the side, but a bud tender. Oh. Yeah. It's
I thought you said a butt tender.
I tend butts.
Like you tend to butts?
I tend to all butt need.
Whose butts do I have to tend?
It's great. Actually, in the ASAP video, I got to like oil everyone's butt because it was out, and like so like I was a butt oiler. It was so fun.
Were you listed as that on the credits?
No, I really hope so. Like I really hope so because
I don't know why I haven't tried to replicate your looks before because I'm always just like, how, what? Like this is so good. I like that you're not afraid to try like different things and be like, you know, I don't totally
look better this
way.
For sure.
So part of what makes your Instagram account so unique and special to us is that your pictures are just super raw and like super honest. Like there's no Photoshop, like there's no fancy lighting setups, which that stuff can be really cool, but it's just really refreshing to see, you know, something so different that it really showcases just your raw talent.
I don't ever want to fall into that. People like me for me, I feel. So like, I don't know why I should change, you know. I always start above the crease, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to do like some crazy look, just literally, I feel like if you just draw like a line over your crease, like you'll just be like, whoa. And then you'll get like inspired to do like some crazy stuff.
Oh my God. I love that lip. Oh my God. All right, you guys, we're all finished. I can't even start. This is amazing. Can you please recap what you did so that everyone knows and everyone can steal this look from you?
Okay, so pretty much you just outline these wings and then just add color, whatever you want, like literally whatever you want inside. And then I drew these down here to allow more color.
Yeah, you kind of create like your own space for color.
Yeah,
instead of just like being like, oh, this is where my eyelid is, this is where color goes. You're like, nah, here's a space.
Like,
I'm gonna put color here.
I'm gonna make one.
And you layered too, like you layered Lumi on top of 2 AM.
Oh yeah,
Like this is so pretty. I love that color combo.
Yeah, I always line my lips like this. I feel like if you have like a black line, like outline, you could just put like whatever you want inside. It looks like really like poppy.
Yeah, it is. It's super like kind of pop art. It's really cool. I turned into a Mardi Gras fantasy. Yeah, so I just went ahead and I used a little bit of butter cupcake on my inner and outer corners to blend into Midori and Acid Berry for the greens. And then I just threw Detox on my lips, and I love it. I love the pop of orange with everything else. Like you said, it's very like human parrot.
I love it.
All right, well this was super fun. Thanks so much for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, this was a blast. I want everyone to go follow Selena right now because you don't understand. She's so incredible. So Anything for Selena's, go find her on Instagram. Are you gonna be starting a YouTube anytime soon? Do you think you're gonna start doing videos?
Maybe we'll see how this goes, and then I'll see. I'll see how.
Everyone go bug her. Tell her to start a YouTube channel.
Oh, they do all the time. But no, I probably will.
Yeah.
Soon.
Awesome. Yeah. So go follow her so you can check out when that comes out. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Let us know in the comments below who you'd like to see us do this with next time, and we will see you soon. Bye bye.